All right, so where we left off in the last video. So remember what we said we're going to do. We're going to take their fair share. So 210,000 minus 430,000 gives me a negative $220,000. Okay, and we're going to do the same thing with all of them. So B, 210,000 was her fair share. She got the $59,000 painting, so we're going to subtract that out. But we should give her $150,000. And then here at the end, the house, or no, Chad's fair share was $220,000 minus the $175,000 is $45,000. And so we're going to add $45,000 here. Okay. So if you think about what we're saying here, his fair share is this, but he's getting a $400,000 house. So he's over $220,000 from what he thinks is his fair share. So he's going to have to pay this to the bank. Then what we're going to do is we're going to take that money and we're going to pay the other two people. And if there's any money left over, then we have what we call a surplus. So we need to figure out, is there going to be a surplus? And so I'm going to do 220,000. Because we're going to give B that money, this is the money that went to the bank. We're going to pay this out. So we're going to subtract 151 and we're going to subtract 45,000. So we had $2,400 left over. So that's extra money left over. So we're going to divide that by 3. And so that means that everybody's going to get $8,000 each on top of what else they've got. All right. So what is my final settlement going to be? So my final settlement is going to be for Andre. Andre is going to get the farm plus that $8,000. Okay? That's what Andre is going to get. He's going to get the farm plus that $8,000. So Andre gets the farm plus $8,000. B is going to get the painting plus she's going to get $151,000 plus she's going to get $8,000. So she's going to get $159,000. Okay. So she got the painting plus $159,000. And then Chad over here got the house plus $45,000 plus the $8,000 in surplus. So he got the house plus $53,000. Okay. And that is my final settlement. So Andre got the farm plus $8,000. B got the painting plus $159,000. And Chad got the house plus the $53,000. Okay. All right. Well, some of you might ask, well, why wouldn't you just like bid really high on stuff? That way your fair share is going to be more and you'll get more money. But the problem with that is if the farm is not worth, you know what I'm saying? Like you don't want to overestimate what the farm is worth, because what if you had to turn around and sell it? Then you're not going to get that money back. So you want to make sure that you're bidding a fair price for stuff and not trying to overbid by too much, unless there's just some sentimental value where it costs more to you than it actually is worth. All right, so there is our process of sealed bids.